In this video, we're going to write a percent as a fraction. So if we have a problem like this that says write 50% as a fraction, the first thing you need to remember is that a percent is 1 part out of 100. So 1% is equal to 1 over 100 or 0.01. So remember that if you have any number over 100, you imagine that number with the decimal place at the end, and because there's 2 zeros here, you move the decimal over twice this way, 1, 2, okay? So here you'll have an empty spot, and what you fill the empty spot with is a 0. Okay, so I'm glad I reviewed that with you. I have other videos of mine that explain that in detail. So now that we know this, that means that 50% is equal to 50 over 100. So we can write 50 over 100 in its simplest form. And we know that 50 fits into 50, and 50 also fits into 100. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 50. And 50 divided by 50 equals 1. 100 divided by 50 equals 2. So writing 50% as a fraction is the same as 1/2. So this fraction is 1/2. And that's how you write a percentage as a fraction. You always put the number over 100 and then you simplify it. And those are the steps. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. You could look at those. And also remember to download the ebook. You can follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. And if you like the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening.